Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of conventional bombs and the science behind their explosions. But first, a quick disclaimer. This is purely for educational purposes, and safety is paramount whenever discussing or handling explosives. Alright, let's get to it. A conventional bomb relies on explosive materials to create a rapid release of energy. Think of it as a tightly packed energy packet just waiting to burst open. The core component here is the explosive material itself, often a chemical compound like TNT, RDX, or dynamite. These substances are characterized by their ability to undergo rapid decomposition, releasing a massive amount of gas and heat in an incredibly short time. So how does this all kick off? It starts with a detonator. The detonator is a smaller explosive device that triggers the main charge. When activated, it initiates a chemical reaction in the explosive material. Now, this reaction is crucial because it transforms the stable compounds into highly unstable ones. When the detonator goes off, it sends a shockwave through the explosive material. This shockwave is a high-pressure wave that compels the molecules in the explosive to break down rapidly. As these molecules decompose, they release gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. But here's the kicker. This gas is released so quickly and with such force that it creates a massive pressure wave. This pressure wave, or blast wave, is what we typically associate with an explosion. It's a surge of high-pressure gas expanding outwards, moving faster than the speed of sound. When it encounters the surroundings, it causes the destructive effects we see, like shattering windows, demolishing buildings, and unfortunately, causing harm. One interesting point to note is the role of confinement. The explosive material is often packed within a casing. This casing ensures that the energy is focused and not dissipated too quickly. When the explosion occurs, the casing fragments and turns into high-velocity shrapnel, which adds to the bomb's destructive power. In summary, a conventional bomb explosion is a meticulously orchestrated dance of chemistry and physics. From the detonator to the rapid decomposition of explosive materials, every step is designed to release energy in the most impactful way possible. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, science can explain the world around us, but it's our responsibility to use that knowledge wisely. Stay curious and stay safe. See you in the next video.